Hi, Adrian here from White Hat Automation. Today we're going to look at the moderate function of the Cloud Thesaurus. So if you want to apply to be a moderator of the Cloud Thesaurus, you'll have this function added to SpinnerChief, which means that you can edit the Cloud Thesaurus itself. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, when you have a thesaurus that is built by the users, of course, it's very powerful and it ends up having many synonyms and it's very useful. But the problem is you can get a lot of useless synonyms as well. Essentially, to put it bluntly, garbage. And we want the Cloud Thesaurus to be as useful as possible. And therefore, we want to get rid of the synonyms that shouldn't really be there. And we would like moderators of the Cloud Thesaurus to perform this function for us. So I'm going to show you how this works now. We have the well-known phrase input article body here. That'll do the trick for us. I'm going to highlight the word article, and there's the synonyms. We have post, which is at the top. That's because it's the most popular one and the most likely synonym that SpinnerChief is likely to give you if you use, for example, in good, better, best, if you use best, or probably it will come up as everybody's favourites as well. If we look down, there's some very good synonyms there, but look at the bottom here. They aren't really anything to do with the word article, so it'd be best if they were not there. So here we have a button at the bottom of the synonyms, begin to moderate Cloud Thesaurus. If we click that, we get some extra controls in now. Now, the first thing you may want to do is change the order of this. We know that post is the one that's going to be used the most. Whichever's nearest the top is used the most, and that's the most valuable synonym according to the usage of it. But it may be that you think, now that's not really a very good synonym to have at the top of the list. Actually, it is in this case, but for these purposes, let's say we want to change it. Let's say the word write-up should be at the top. All you do is drag it up to the top, and there it is. And not just the top, you could maybe think, well, write-up should be second there, so we'll put it second after post now, so it goes post write-up content, or I can put it back where it was, drag it down another position. Now it goes post content write-up, how it was at the beginning. Now there's another way you can change the order. If you have a very long list, you may not be comfortable dragging, so we've got all of the words here. All of the synonyms repeated here, and you can just highlight the synonym you want. Here's the word write up. Make sure the position is highlighted where you want it to go to. Click this double arrow button, and write up goes to the top. And you can click it into any position you want. For example, if let's go down to the bottom again, you may want the word write up to go third after post. So you highlight that word, highlight the word content, which is third, click go, and there you go. It's third now. So that's two different ways you can change the popularity order of the synonyms. And of course, the other thing you may want to do is to get rid of the garbage. This sort of stuff here, which is very easy. You just highlight it and hit delete. Highlight, hit delete. And we can highlight another one and delete it. Let's get rid of the numbers. There we are. Now that list of synonyms is now a lot more usable and a lot more sensible. One final thing you need to do when you've made your changes, click the Save Changes button at the bottom here. Click Save Changes. Now it becomes disabled. All your changes are saved. You will not see the changes in the thesaurus itself until the weekly thesaurus update is sent through. So it's important to remember that, because otherwise you may be doing the same changes over and over again. Once you've done, it's done. And when you get the new update of the Cloud Thesaurus, you'll see all the changes you made faithfully reproduced in the new download. Finally, once you've finished moderating, just click the End Moderate button and you're back into the normal operational mode now. So we're looking for moderators. If you think you could help us with that, and if you think you'd like to be involved in the SpinnerChief and the improvement of the Cloud Thesaurus, by all means, please volunteer. If you're watching this video on YouTube, you need to go to SpinnerChief.com and follow the links. If you're already on SpinnerChief.com, the instructions are below this video. Thank you very much for watching. We hope to hear from you soon. See you later.